We all know Yaks.
Again, si Kwati. Again and again.
Wow, shit!
It's the lifestyle, man. Baka na siya
Say hi, yo.
Hi!
Titipa to.
Yes.
May pang genie.
We stuck here at the top. It's raining. We was about to go swim for the falls, but we just got stopped by here because it's raining. So yeah. Just Sequate, like dark chocolate here, native.
Resulta na siya sa akong pag-gym.
We
Na siya, blooming logo.
my hair is growing.
Istorya na ba nila balik ba?
Pero ang guy, mag-rice
Ay.
ka? Afford na lang.
Ikaw.
Ikaw, mag-rice ka.
Slice na?
Sarap ah.
Hello. Ipakapila niya. Tama na mo to, discounted. Discounted mo to.
Shout out, yo.
Shout out sa Good Bacterias and sa akong mga amigo diya sa Kidapawan. Let's go.
Got sausage
Katong lahat.
outside. Wait.
Shout out to si Vlog Mom dyan. Shout out Vlog Mom dyan. Beautiful evening, as beautiful as mom is. Dama ma.
A jolly hot dog with some.
Dari hot dog. Fuck McDog. Hungarian anak mano lang. Tsaka sa mga wala dyan. Nah, mana yang diet ni Rui dah? Cut.